What's up, world? In this video, I want to talk about how to write the perfect executive summary for your mobile app. If you're developing a mobile app, looking to write a business plan for your mobile app, in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how to write the perfect executive summary for your mobile app. So let's get into it. A mobile app executive summary is going to have 8 sections. They're pretty simple and straightforward. This is exactly how a business plan is laid out. And in fact, an executive summary is like a one-page business plan. So let's go over the sections one by one. The sections in totality include company description, market research, industry analysis, and a SWOT analysis. That's the first 4 sections. And then you have your management organizational plan, your marketing plan, your financial projections, and your conclusion. So all those 8 sections in total will have a perfect executive summary. Let's go through each section one by one. First, the SaaS or mobile app description, also called the company description. Now, each of these sections is going to be one paragraph, preferably 3 to 4 sentences, and try to keep your executive summary to 1 or 2 pages. The whole point of an executive summary is to have a reader get the gist of the entire business and the business plan in 1 or 2 pages. So, in that first paragraph, you want to talk about your mobile application. What does it do? Who are the people signing up for it? What are the features? And exactly what is the value proposition to the person using the mobile app. After the company description, in that same paragraph, by the way, you might want to include, are you an LLC? Are you incorporated? Where is it located? Where are you operating out of? Okay. But mainly that first paragraph is going to talk about exactly what the app does and what's the benefit to the user of the mobile app. After that, you want to get into the market research section of the executive summary. This is a quick paragraph on exactly what the market looks like of users of your app. So, who's going to be using your app? What are their ages? Are they male or are they female? Are they kids or are they adults? This is the paragraph where you want to talk about how many people are in your potential market. After that, you want to go into the industry analysis. In that paragraph, you want to talk about what does the industry look like? So, for example, if you're a fitness app, what is the fitness industry doing? If you're a mobile app for food delivery, what is food delivery in America, in Singapore, in Asia doing? That's your industry analysis paragraph. Try to get good sources for your industry analysis. Don't make up facts, right? Look for facts from viable sources. In America, the US Census Bureau is good for market research, and then industry trade publications are good for industry analysis. After the industry analysis section, you're going to go into a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a description of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, for example, if you're a web developer or an app developer, then a strength could be that you have experience developing these kind of apps. A weakness could be that you have no users yet. A threat could be that there's a lot of potential competitors in the space. And an opportunity could be that you may be able to sell the users something else later or add another feature to the app later. That could be an opportunity. Now, a lot of people ask me, why do I go over my weaknesses and threats in a business where I'm trying to highlight the business or I'm trying to get an investor? Well, it's because you want to show the investor or the reader that you've covered every single angle, that you know the potential things that could go wrong in your business, you've thought about them, and you have a plan of action to overcome them. So that brings you to the SWOT analysis. Now there's 4 more sections. The 4 more sections: management organizational plan, the marketing plan, the financial projections, and then a conclusion paragraph. So the next paragraph is going to be the management and organizational plan. For your mobile app development, you want to discuss exactly the pieces of human resources that you need to develop the mobile app and to keep it running. So in this paragraph, you're going to talk about all the people you need, right? Whether it's a Java developer, HTML or C++ developer, or a part-time accountant or part-time marketer, or if you're planning to release the app um, through influencer marketing, what influencers are going to be involved. Basically, all the people that you need to develop, run, maintain, and market the app, you're going to put in this paragraph, the management and organizational plan paragraph. After that paragraph, you're going to get into your marketing plan paragraph. This is going to talk about exactly how you're going to acquire users for the mobile app. For some people, it's as simple as, hey, we're going to launch and try to get as many reviews as we can on Google Play or on in the Apple Store. For other people, it's more like, we're going to create 100 YouTube videos specific to fitness or specific to consulting or specific to finance. Whatever your marketing strategy is, whether it's social, pay per click, billboards, direct contact, or you already have a user base or an email list, this is the paragraph to do it. Make sure you're explaining to the reader exactly not only how you're going to get the customer, but what the customer looks like. So be clear and intentional about who is my customer and who am I targeting. It makes it easier to market the business. After the after the marketing plan section of your executive summary, you're going to head into the all dreaded financial projections. Now, the financial projections are really simple, especially when it comes to an executive summary. You just want to discuss how much money it's going to take you to build the app, how much you're going to make every year, and how much you're going to spend every year. This is not a full comprehensive business plan. So, really, those three numbers will give the reader a good idea of how much the initial investment is going to cost and how much you're going to get back on that initial investment. Make sure to include either monthly or yearly financial projections in this paragraph. So you may want to say something like the app is projected to make 200,000 in the first year, 600,000 in the second year, $1 million in the third year, and it's projected to have a run rate of 150,000 a year, a run rate or a burn rate, right? Meaning how much you're going to spend every year to keep the app running. This will tell the reader exactly how much profit they're going to make and when they can expect their return investment back. If you want to be more specific, you can tell the investor exactly when they expect their investment back. So you can say, we're seeking a $1 million investment and we plan to pay it back over the next 5 years, over the next 6 years, or we plan to pay it back monthly, or we plan to pay it back yearly, or a $1 million investment gets you a 40% stake in the company or a 20% stake in the company. So that's the financial projections paragraph. And then at the end, you want to synthesize everything you just wrote into a paragraph. Now, in this last paragraph, you want to do two things. You either want to state your value proposition or the one thing that you want to make sure you leave the reader with, or you want to go again and double down on the ask. So if you're looking for an investor, in this last paragraph, you want to reiterate why your project makes a good investment and reiterate that you need the investment. And that's it. That's a comprehensive executive summary that covers everything that's in a business plan. My name is Nick. I've written over 2,000 business plans, went to business school, went to law school, worked on Wall Street. I sit on the board of several public and private companies, and I write comprehensive business plans for clients all over the globe. So if you need a comprehensive business plan, let me know and I'll help you out. If you thought this video was useful, hit the like button, share it with somebody, comment in the section below if you want to start a conversation, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.